Alright, hi guys. I figured I'd make this video because I know it's tough to track down the right exhaust sound sometimes. My Mustang's a 4-liter, it's a V6. When I got it, it had exhaust already. It had stock manifolds to cats. It was dualed off to an H-pipe, and it had Flow Pro mufflers. I don't know what kind. So it sounded good. It was a little bit quiet for me, so I wanted to go a little louder. I got Pacesetter Longtube headers and installed those, deleted the cats while I did it, and that was a mistake. It's really a smart idea to try to keep the cats on there. It makes a big difference on how these cars sound. So it was sounding really tingy. You'll hear an exhaust clip here. Really tingy, high-pitched, under throttle. And so the way I solved that was I switched to cherry bombs. I completely got rid of the mufflers, and I went with a short dump exhaust. My over-axle piping was a little rusted out, so saved some weight. It was simple, but so the cherry bombs helped a lot, and you'll hear that too. Really loud, but they're really good at making it sound deep. I don't know what it is about them. I think they were the 23-inch ones, and they're powder coated in aluminized steel and stuff. They're not like the old ones that are painted and just, rust out. So overall, I was pretty happy with it. It's got this kind of a cool, when you're under throttle, it's muted. It's quiet almost. And then when you let off, it just goes blah. So it sounds cool though. You'll see it. I hope this helps some people out if they're trying to figure out their exhaust. So here you go.